fresh, juicy tomatoes right from my apartment balcony. Here's how I did it. It all started with a tiny seedling and a simple plan. Even with limited space, you can grow your own food. With a little water and love, the plant grew like crazy, turning my balcony into a mini garden. And then, the best part, the harvest began. Look at all these beautiful tomatoes. There's something so rewarding about picking food you've grown yourself. It tastes better too. Don't need a garden to be a gardener. Start small and watch your patience grow. What will you plant?